Welcome to Daily Development, your guide to unlocking your true potential. In this channel, we delve into the fascinating world of human behavior, wealth creation, and personal development. If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing. In today's video, we will share with you the 8 laws of money you need to apply to get rich. Welcome to the world of financial empowerment, where understanding and applying critical laws of money can significantly enhance your journey towards wealth and prosperity. In today's fast-paced economic landscape, getting rich is not just a matter of luck or inheritance. It's about strategic planning, intelligent decisions, and consistent application of proven financial principles. This guide is designed to unveil 8 crucial laws that can help you navigate the complexities of personal finance and set you on a path to achieve financial stability, thrive, and grow your wealth effectively. Let's dive into these transformative principles and explore how to apply them to enrich your economic life. Law 1. Mastering the art of living below your means. The first law is about spending less than you earn. This is foundational for wealth building. It's not just about making more, but managing what you have effectively. It sounds simple, but it's the cornerstone of wealth building. Here's how you can apply it. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses. Know where every dollar goes. Cut unnecessary spending. Identify and eliminate frivolous expenses. Eating out less or cutting back on subscriptions can make a big difference. Living below your means frees up capital for investments and reduces financial stress. Law 2. The power of wise investments. Investing is how you turn your savings into wealth. Put your money into investments that have the potential to earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts. This includes stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, and real estate. Understand risk. Higher returns often mean higher risk. Find a balance that suits your risk tolerance. Remember, investing is a long game. Patience and consistency are key. Law 3. Embracing continuous financial learning. The financial world is constantly evolving. Staying informed is crucial. Stay informed about financial markets, economic trends, and new investment strategies. This could involve reading books, attending seminars, or following reputable financial blogs and news sources. Countless resources are available to expand your financial knowledge. Stay updated. Follow market trends and economic news to make informed decisions. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Law 4. Diversifying income streams for financial security. Don't rely solely on one source of income. This could mean having a side business, investing in income-generating assets, or developing skills that allow for freelance work. Relying on a single income source is risky. Diversifying can provide security and additional avenues for wealth accumulation. Consider starting a small business or freelancing. Investments like rental properties can provide a steady income stream. Multiple income streams mean more opportunities to save and invest. Law 5. The magic of saving and investing early. Thanks to compound interest, money grows over time. The earlier and more regularly you save and invest, the more you benefit from compounding. Thanks to compound interest, the earlier you start saving and investing, the better. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Make saving and investing a habit. Consistency is key. Time is your greatest ally in building wealth. Law 6. Steering clear of bad debt. Not all debt is wrong, but high-interest debt like credit card debt can be detrimental. Focus on paying off high-interest debts and be cautious about taking on new debts. Prioritize debts with the highest interest rates. Avoid new bad debt. Be cautious with credit cards and high-interest loans. Good debt, like a mortgage, can be an investment. Bad debt is a burden. Law 7. Valuing time as your most precious asset. Time is a non-renewable resource. Invest your time in activities that contribute to your financial goals, whether learning, networking, or building a business. Time is the one resource you can't get more of. Use it wisely. Allocate time for financial planning and education. Ensure you also invest time in your personal life and well-being. Your time is valuable. Invest it in activities that support your financial goals. Law 8. Setting and achieving smart financial goals. Having specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart financial goals can guide your financial decisions and keep you motivated. Whether it's saving a certain amount or paying off debt, be specific. Regularly assess your progress and adjust your goals. Goals give direction to your financial journey. Building wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. By understanding and applying these 8 laws of money, you're equipping yourself with the knowledge and habits needed for financial success. Remember, it's about making consistent, informed decisions over time. Start applying these laws today and watch as your financial health transforms. Embarking on a journey to financial prosperity requires more than just earning and saving. It involves a holistic approach to managing your resources. This encompasses prudent spending habits, astute investment strategies, continuous learning, and cultivating varied income sources. Embracing these practices enhances financial understanding and positions you for long-term wealth accumulation. Integrating these principles into your daily life lays the groundwork for a secure and prosperous economic future, ensuring that every decision you make contributes to your overall goals.